Welcome back to our channel. If you're joining us for the first time, we are Mark and Debs from the Isle of Man. In this week's video, we bring you over to our lovely island for a wild camp in Port Erin, which has one of the prettiest beaches on the island. Stay tuned as we share with you a bit of the history associated with Port Erin and some of the landmarks. Lovely day, time for a trip out. One word to the dogs, motorhome, and they go crazy. No persuasion needed to get them into the van. We're off and we're going to somewhere we've never camped before, have we?
Yeah, we've never been there before, but that's where we're going.
We're going to
Port Erin.
Port Erin.
Yeah, cracking little park up.
Don't camp overnight. Well,
it's not going to be very stealth in this. In this big white box, but yeah. We're going to Port Erin, aren't we? Somewhere different, somewhere we've not been before.
We haven't camped here ever.
Well, because we like the airs, because we let the dogs run. That's why we don't come down here, because we can't just let the dogs out.
Yeah. I think one of the reasons we don't park there is because it's so busy in the summer, isn't it? You just can't take a chance that you're going to go down there and get parked. Half the time you just can't.
We don't even know if we're going to get a park today, do we?
No.
Well, there might be big signs up saying no overnight parking. Oh, really? Anyway, see what the day brings, eh? Tell you what, the next van we get is a manual. I get bored.
Enjoy the ride, like I did.
Yeah, well, it's all right for you because you don't have the confidence of driving, so it takes that away. But I get bored. I want to change gear.
I'm more than confident to drive a van with gears.
No, you're not very confident with the motorhome. So having automatic means you can concentrate more on the size of it. I get bored. I have no gears to change. I just want to press buttons.
That's when you look at scenery.
I can't look. I've got to look in front of me, haven't I?
No scenery. Yeah.
It's nice on the motorway when you put the cruise control on. Just take your foot off and just chill out.
I didn't do that.
No, I know you didn't. I'm too stressed about putting cruise control on. Joking at you?
Have you pressed the hill button?
I'm 4.5 ton.
Press the hill button, that's it.
Oh, come on, pal. People behind will think it's me that's holding everyone up. Yeah, I ain't got the power to get past. It just annoys me. You can see, we're on dual carriageway, you can see hundreds of yards in front of you and they're just like 40 miles an hour.
Quite excited about Port Erin tonight.
I think it look lovely down there over night time as well. We might get some good stuff on the drone.
Yeah, we can get to the pub for a cheeky little drink.
Just one?
One,
Or two?
3,
4.
5, 10. Bye fairies, bye fairies.
Bye fairies, bye fairies.
Trouble in sight, beating hearts don't lie, an empty page, a story to write. I'm in love, you're divine, and it's all in our signs. We're going away, get your bag, check the decision is made. Lock your door, need no more. It's already paid. Cancel your meal for a while. It's a journey.
Well, that's it. We're here in Port Erin. This is where we're staying for the night.
You can see Brad ahead right the way over there. There's the rest of Port Erin. And there comes a mad dog lady with 3 dogs. Well, had a number 2, have they?
Yeah. Beautiful, isn't it?
It's beautiful.
So I thought we could walk up to Bradder Glen.
Did you? Not right now.
Not now.
Well, we've even got our own little waterfall. Well, I tell you what, we won't be short of water tonight.
Wow.
Wow, wow, wow.
Wow. The view behind me.
Look at that. So our park up for the night is just up there.
Stunning.
And what are we doing now?
We're going to go and get some breakfast in the Rich Monkey.
As you can see by the pan, we're not quite level. Disaster number 1. Plate gone. I'll be honest with you, it is not going well today. Anyway, let's not stress too much. The 3 musketeers will be back shortly. And when the 3 musketeers are back, it's going to be chaos. So, time for me to get this breakfast on. I think when Deb gets back, she's going to go mad about me smashing one of her plates, but it wasn't my fault. I bet she blames it on my driving. She really ain't going to be happy about that plate. Might get away with gluing that back together and she'll probably never notice. Oh, we'll leave a bit of a line in it. Hey-ho. Oh, look at that. Oh no, you twist it that way you can see it. I don't think I'm going to get away with this. Oh well. Yeah, another 3 slices straight in. Look at that. Nice hot pan. Whoa, it's getting a bit warm in here now. I got a minute, so I'm literally going to show you the view. This is the view out the roof that we've got. Look at that. Getting a bit steamed up, but you can see Brad ahead right there. Check this out. Uh-oh, we're in trouble now.
Oh,
Successful mission?
yeah, dogs had a run on the beach. They're all drenched.
Perfect.
Oh gosh, it's warm in here.
Yes.
Beautiful out there.
I can see it is absolutely beautiful out there. We're just trying to address the issues whilst cooking.
Warm.
We'll get that open. So that's the roof open. Had a bit of steam out.
There's a load of sea swimmers out there. Women just going to go and swim in the sea.
Swimming in the sea.
Yeah.
They're brave.
Oh, it's steamed up in here, hon.
Well, you know, I'm a tad on the busy side there, I'm afraid to say. However, everything's becoming a disaster.
Let's have a look at that bacon then.
I've got some in the oven because you can only get 3 slices in at once.
Ooh,
Yeah.
and eggs.
I haven't started the eggs yet. You can see we're on a bit of a
Spray
slope.
the pan with oil?
No.
You spray the pan with oil?
Yes.
You didn't.
No, I didn't.
Oh,
Can I do the top bit? Will that work, will it? Don't think. I could spray a bit down there.
yeah, you could. I don't think it'll make much.
There we
Do it
go.
On the top.
On the top.
Turn them over. Oh, I'm Hank Marvin.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, you broke a plate.
Ah, you see, I thought you might notice that. But the good news is,
The good news is it's what?
I captured it on camera. I opened the door and it fell out.
Oh. Did it break anything else? Did it dent the work surface?
I don't know. Anyway.
What a plonker. So, those eggs looked really good in the Rich Monkey, didn't they?
Yeah, it's very quick with the lid on, keeps all the heat in. I've had to change the battery.
That was before or after you broke the plate?
That was after. So I've been having great fun. You've got that from pork, have you?
Well, you don't want one, do you? Fork so I can take the egg white off.
I'm kidding yourself.
Oh, it's so nice out there.
Mm.
The sea's getting rough though.
Ah,
I think we're going to get covered in sea spray tonight.
probably. Are you
It's
worried
not
about
covered in ketchup. Am I worried about that? Well, yeah,
that? Oh yeah, why?
because it blocks the paintwork, of course.
When we get home, you can give it a quick wash then.
Yum! Lifeboats, or the RNLI, were first established by Sir William Hillary, who lived in Douglas on the island and saw many a shipwreck. It's from this that the RNLI was born in 1824. Port Erin's lifeboat station was built in 1884 and still stands as a working lifeboat station today.
So yeah, look at that for a beach. Isn't that amazing?
Taking the dogs for a, or rather than taking
They're taking me, I'm getting dragged down the road.
It's alright in a minute, it's uphill. Hopeful then.
No,
But it's gorgeous.
it's quite hot actually. We're in October, aren't we?
I've got my thick coat on. I wish I hadn't worn it then.
Late October. I'm
It's
sweating.
definitely more flowy where we parked, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I would.
Don't ask me to take a picture of you. Is this on record?
I think so, yeah.
I told you you were only little, didn't I? Hey?
It's right down there.
Did you?
This is a big chair.
Oh, you're joking, aren't you?
This is funny.
Here she comes like the rays of the sun, she shines. A 10 out of 10, Lord, she's no less than a dime. Sets my soul on fire and helps me unwind, yeah. The right kind of woman.
Hey, with the coat, Mark's carrying it, aren't you?
I'll carry it. I'm the donkey.
Well, you never know what to bring.
No.
I've got my professional camera, I've got hair in my gob. Can't really talk. Sorry. Not used to trying to guide 3 dogs. And
Carry everything and shoot a movie for YouTube. David Bailey here. And I don't know if you can see, if you look carefully, well, that's our pitch for tonight. We're heading down to the pub, as we've done there. We've done about a 15-mile walk, haven't we?
we've gone about a mile.
About a mile, plus 15. But yeah, I won't mind that house there, I tell you. Got a nice bit of parking there for the motorhome. Not much chance of filming right now. 3 dogs, jacket, a hat, a camera, a microphone, while we get a picture of a mushroom. Really?
It's a mushroom with a view, actually.
A mushroom with a view. Lovely. Look at that. So if the pub's shut, that was a waste of a 30-mile walk. Oh, for God's sake. It's Saturday afternoon
And it's closed.
and it's shut. That's unbelievable, isn't it? Sometimes you don't appreciate what's on your doorstep. And there is Port Erin Bay, where we're camping tonight.
10 out of 10, Lord, she's no less than a dime. Sets my soul on fire.
While dinner's cooking, I'm going to give you a little bit of a history of Port Erin. History states the place where Port Erin began was at St Catherine's Well. Apparently this source of fresh spring water inspired fishermen centuries ago to settle here.
Milner's Tower, situated on the top of Bradder Head, was built in honour of William Milner, a Birkenhead safe maker who did so much for the poor of Port Erin. The tower was erected in 1871 in his honour, and the footprint of the tower is supposed to represent the shape of a keyhole from one of his safes.
The 6 fishermen's cottages on the terrace were built by William Milner, who left them to St Catherine's Church as a source of rent. The separate front gardens are well known locally and worth viewing.
I can't let you go, baby. I just wanna tell you that. No, 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 no. Yeah. All of my friends say, girl, you better take care. 'Cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And though deep down, I know I might be headed for teardrops. Now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No, no. 'Cause I love you, baby.
So the weather's taken a turn for the worse, but it is Sunday. The weather doesn't look too bad this side of the van. Yeah, we'll just walk up in the Peeing down rain and a wind, just to show you some people swimming in the sea.
They've swam right across there. You're wet anyway.
Yeah, you're right
you?
there. You're wet. When you're wet, you're wet. You ain't gonna get any wetter jumping in there.
Nope.
Bit like us right
I
now.
can't let you go, baby. I can't let you go, baby. 'Cause I love you, I love you, I love you. No.
Yeah.
Anyway, forget that. We're heading back now. Get the kettle on. Get through before it's time to head off.
Yeah.
Come on, let's go.
We're leaving Port Erin. Great overnight stay and lovely sleep to the sound of the waves crashing on the rocks. They weren't crashing.
No, but it's a beautiful stop, isn't it? We haven't done this one before, have we? So
Can't let you go, 'cause I love you, 'cause I love you, yeah. There was a time I didn't have romance, but after I met you, I felt it was my chance.
On the way home, the train was in the station at Castletown, so we couldn't miss this opportunity to film a steam train.
Show me, baby, yeah. I can't let you go. I can't let you go, yeah. I can't let you go, yeah. I can't.
Castletown Railway Station was built in 1874, and this is still the original building that stands today.
You can't tell me to let go, baby, 'cause I love you, yeah. 'Cause I love you, yeah.
if you've enjoyed our video and would like to see more, hit that subscribe button. It's completely free and really helps our channel grow. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.